I'm going to show you how you can easily make your profile picture a GIF on Imvu mobile. First, search and download any GIF you want to add from Google Images. Next, navigate to the Imvu app on your mobile phone. Now, you can set the avatar by tapping on your gender. Here, you'll be able to style your avatar by selecting its clothing. Then, create your account on Imvu if you don't have an account. To do so, you have to enter your display name, email address, and birth date. Once you've provided the information, hit the Join Us button. After that, you will reach the homepage of the Imvu account. Next, tap on the profile to visit your Imvu account. Once you reach there, tap on the Edit option shown here. Then, you can tap on the Change Profile icon given here. Now, you'll be able to tap on Choose the Existing Photo option. Here, you will select the photo that you've downloaded. In the end, adjust the photo and you will be done.